Hello students, very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Kumar Prusti from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nawada branch. Students, welcome to our e-learning class which is organized by Modern Group of Institution from Nawada, Bihar. Students, today I am going to discuss the fourth video lecture of the class 4, that is our finding and replacing text. Student, today I am going to complete the chapter 4. Okay student, listen and watch carefully, and if you have doubt then ask me. Okay student. The students, see finding and replacing text. See student, what do you mean by finding and replacing text? Okay student, suppose student I want to write here finding. Okay, finding text means to search the word in the large length of documents. Okay students, finding text means to search the word in the large length of documents. That means we can easily get the word. So students, suppose this is my this is my document. Okay, you see in this case how many pages of the documents are here? 14 pages of the documents are here. I want to search any of the word. Where is my table? Where you want to search? That means you have to read page by page, line by line, how many tables of the words are available. You have to suppose here the table. In the same another table word is where. That means you have to count. You have to read line by line like this. Yes or no student? Line by line. Line by line you have to read. That means it will take so much time. So student, to easily get the word from the document, we take the help finding and replace option. Okay student, and replacing means student what? You listen, replacing means, okay, see student, I am writing here and you see carefully what do you mean by replacing. Okay student, see student, replacing the text means to change the old word to replacing the text means to change the old word into new word. Okay student, that means what the old word has written to change into the new word, it is very easily. How much lengthy of your document, that does not matter, you can easily replace. Okay student, is that clear or not? The student, now I will show you the practical way how to see this one. Okay student, is that clear? You see this is your document. Okay students, you see carefully, this is your points. Okay, the student, what we will discuss now, how to replace and finding the text. Okay, the student, to follow the some of these steps how to find and replace the text, it is very simple. Open the any of the MS Word document which one has written. After that, click on the home tab. Click on the home tab. After clicking on the home tab, clipboard, font group, paragraph group, styles group, editing group, so many groups are available. Where these groups are available student, that is under the home tab, and finding and replace option are available in the editing group. See, this one is your editing group. Find and replace options are here. I want to find the text. Okay student, click on the find. The left navigation button is available. Click on the find option. Okay student, what you want to check the word or search the word, you write the word, any word. Suppose I want to write table. Okay student, and click on the reading highlight, then you highlight all you can do. You click on it, just find it next. You see, is that clear on a student? Again click on the find next. Again see, again click on the find next. Again see, is that clear? In the Word document, no need to read, you easily you just click and it will be displayed where the table word has written. It will be displayed on your document. See student, is that clear or not? Okay, that means in the whole document how many words of a particular table word is present, it will be displayed. Is that clear or not? Like this you can find any of the word and easily search. Is that clear or not student? Is that clear or not? Now I will be closed. So in this way you can find the text. Okay, again I want to student, suppose I want to type the Deepak. Okay, I want to search the word Deepak, where this word is available. Click on the find next. See, if the word is not available in the whole document, you see the message will be displayed on your screen. What word has reached the end of the document? The search item was not found. Do you want to continue searching at the beginning? Is that clear or not? That means Deepak word is not available in the whole document. Okay, and you see it has taken the time in a few seconds. If you want to search, how much time it will take, you can imagine. Is that clear or not? Okay student, next I want to student will discuss the replace. That means I want to replace. If the word has given, I want to replace, then how to replace the text? You see student, suppose I want to replace. Okay, so student, to replace, same, go to the home tab, click on, go to the then editing group, then click on the replace option. Okay student, then in the replace, after clicking on the replace, the two columns will be available. One is a find what box, then replace with. That means the find what, the old word will be written. Okay, and in the replace with, the new word will be written. Remember student, okay, I am writing here in replace with box. In replace with box, okay student, two columns will be displayed. Okay, one is find what box, which contain in the find what box is in the find what box which is giving or typing the old word. Okay student, and replace with box, type the new word. Okay, is that clear enough student? The student, what you want to replace? Okay, the student, I want to write, suppose I want to write finding. Okay, so in the finding I want to write, this is the old word, and remember student, what you write the finding exactly, the spelling also will be written here. Okay, and finding is the old word. You see here finding, here finding. The old word I want to replace with, in place of the finding, I want to write the searching. I want to write the searching. Okay, and if you want to replace all, where the finding option is there, finding what is there in the total searching will be written. Yeah, replace only single click. Okay student, is that clear or not? Okay, and you see. Okay student, you see here, see searching has written or not here. Just before again, okay student, just written the word finding. In place of finding I have written the searching, replace. Then you see searching has type. No need to type again and again, only one time you are to type, and replace all. Where the replace all, okay student, okay, where the that word is available, that means the replace, in place of the finding, searching will be written. Is that clear or not student? Is that clear or not? Okay, next one will discuss the student word. In this way, this one has completed finding and replace. Next one is your word grammar. If any, suppose grammar, spelling grammar student, if you have any mistake, it will be displayed in the red wavy line. You see, suppose, okay student, see, if the word is not available in the word dictionary, it will display the word student, the red wavy line. The red wavy line indicate that the word spelling mistake. You see, okay, suppose, okay student, you see student, where it will be written, displayed. You see, it is very simple. Okay student, suppose in place this one, see, okay, so this one, the student see tables, that means this word is not available, this word is not available in the word dictionary. That's why it will display the word spelling mistake. Yeah, grammatical mistake. So this one is a spelling mistake. If any of this spelling mistake will be displayed on your screen, it will be displayed by the red wavy line. Is that clear? Then how to make correct that one? The student, if the word is you see this one is a spelling mistake, you just right click on there. How to correct that one student? Okay student, if you don't know the spelling, very simple, just right click on that word where it has displayed the red one, right click, okay, by the mouse right click on there, okay, okay student, you see right click on there, see so many options have written. Right click, that means the context menu will be displayed. Which one you need, you click that one. Tables you need, click. You see the red wavy line has what undergone, yes or no student? The student again right click on there, you see queries, so you see again it will be what corrected that one. In this way student, you can easily correct of your spelling. Okay, this is also a very big features in the MS Word. And the last one is a student what undo and redo. Undo and redo. Undo means what student, go back to the last action of your document. That means in the last what you have done, okay student, it will be come back to the same position. Okay, you see, and the undo and redo will be displayed on the title bar. You see this one, you see undo, control plus Z is your shortcut key, and redo, this one you see repeat typing means redo, control plus Y. If you click on the student undo, you see, is that clear? You see student, before queries, what have I written? Okay, you see undo, this one I was written, again undo, this one also I have typed, Yes or no, student? This one is your what? The last action, and the redo means the last action of the undo. What you have the undo in the last, it will be come back again. You just click this one. So this one you see again tables. This one is the last of the undo. The last undo action will be come back by the redo. You see. Okay, again redo, you see. Okay, student, that means on only 2 times you have what? Undo click. That's why the redo only 2 times. If you click undo, you see. So you see, same time also you can click the redo. Is that clear or not, student? In this way you can use the undo and redo. Is that clear or not, student? Is that clear or not? So student, in this way I have completed of your chapter 4. If you have any doubt, then you can easily ask me. Okay, student? Okay, student. Bye bye. Thank you.